Merry Christmas. Well, Christmas is the time of miracles, and it appears that with Git, you can have Vanity SHAs. That's right, you can pick your Git SHAs to start however you like. And if you really want this, then check out the Git Vanity SHA repo. I'll share a link in the comments below. But yes, you really can do this. You could, for example, have all your Git SHAs starting with Cafe. Should you do this? Almost definitely not. But I thought it's a cool little trick tip to show you. So there it is. Thank you if you've watched all my other videos, and I hope you found some of them useful or all of them useful. And I will be repeating something similar soon. So do follow along, and I hope you have a fantastic Christmas.